Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to go for the settings. After that we have to move for the connection and the sharing. Right now we have to go for the printing, and we can try to use the system printing service. So let's go for this one, and right now it is searching for the printers, and here it is, our HP Color LaserJet Pro printer, and it connects automatically to our smartphone. And right now we can check if it is working. So let's go for the picture. Maybe there will be something in the gallery, so we can take, for example, this one. And in most cases we have to tap right here for share, and here we have to find the print service, the default print service. As you can see, it's not available here, so we have to go back, click right here, and we can try to use the cast. Okay, but let's turn on the Wi-Fi and also the Bluetooth. Okay, and as you can see, in this situation it is not working, so we have to go back to our settings. Let's go for the connection and sharing one more time, tap on the printing, and right now we have to move to add the service. And right now we have to sync into the Google Play Store, and we'll be download plugin to our printer, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Just let me log into my Play Store. Okay, and right now I'm going to enter the password. And as you can see, right now we got all of the plugins to the printers. So if you are using the brother printer, for example, you have to get this plugin, but I'm going for the HP because, as I showed you before, we got on the office the HP printer. So let's just install, and after that we have to go back to the settings. Click allow. Okay, let's open our plugin, and right now we have to accept all of the permissions that pop-ups on your screen. And right now go back, and right now let's move for the picture that we want to print. Go here, tap, and here we will be able right now to find the HP print service, and here it is. So let's tap, select the printer, and right now all you have to do is just to simply tap on this printer icon to print your file. So as you can see, it's not much complicated. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!